Look, what's happening in California, especially around Los Angeles, isn't just news. It's a wake-up call, a warning that forces us to question how far we've disrupted the balance between humanity and nature. Let me break it down for you. 3 massive wildfires are raging around Los Angeles. The biggest one, the Palisades fire, has already burned through 23,000 acres. The second, Eaton fire, has scorched 14,000 acres, and the third, the Hurst fire, is almost fully contained but has burned 799 acres so far. As of now, the death toll stands at 24, and 16 people are still missing. Think about that for a moment. 24 families shattered. And for those who are missing, imagine the anguish their loved ones are going through.
Now, here's the bigger concern. The Santa Ana winds are set to return. These winds aren't your everyday breeze. They can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. With wildfires already out of control, these winds will only fuel the flames further. The National Weather Service has issued a particularly dangerous situation alert, warning of extreme fire behavior from Tuesday through Wednesday morning. On the ground, 14,000 firefighters are battling day and night to control the flames. They have the support of 84 aircraft and 1,354 fire engines. But the real challenge lies with nature itself, the dry terrain and relentless winds. Despite their best efforts, the truth is simple. Human strength pales in comparison to nature's fury. The numbers keep rising. So far, 8 bodies have been recovered from the Palisades fire zone and 16 from the Eaton fire zone. Officials fear the death toll may increase further as rescue efforts continue. And here's a shocking fact. While firefighters risk their lives, some people are taking advantage of the chaos. 29 arrests have been made for looting in evacuation zones, including individuals posing as firefighters to rob homes. Imagine stooping so low during such a crisis.
Now, let's talk about the financial toll. Estimates suggest these fires could become one of the costliest disasters in U.S. history, with losses projected between $250 billion and $275 billion. And that's just the economic side. What about the forests, ecosystems, and wildlife we're losing? Unsurprisingly, politics has entered the scene. California Governor Gavin Newsom and President Donald Trump are trading accusations. Trump blames the state's incompetence for the wildfire crisis, while Newsom criticizes Trump for spreading misinformation. It's disheartening to see leaders squabble over blame when real lives are being destroyed. This isn't just about Los Angeles or California. It's a reminder that if we continue to exploit nature, disasters like these will only become more frequent and severe. The fires will eventually die down, but the scars they leave on the land, on homes, and on people will remain forever. So think about it. Is this the future we want? A world where nature retaliates because we failed to care for